Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fikret. This video course is designed for those folks who are looking to get started with Apache Spark and Databricks. Earlier in this course, we talked about auto-generated columns. So I mentioned that you can use SparkSQL DDLs, table create commands, to generate your tables. This approach could be very handy when generating time dimensions. So time dimensions, for those who don't know, are normally part of any data firehouse. So this kind of dimension tables will contain some useful date time related components like day of month or month number, month name, year number. These are normally extracted from date. Since date time dimensions contain lots of generic columns which can be calculated from date column, it makes sense to implement time dimensions as a create table just like this. So I have one example here where I have date value column, which is the only column that I need to populate during ingestion. And then I have a number of auto-generated columns like month day or month number, month name, and I'm using SQL functions to auto-populate them. So you can see I'm using day of month. There are lots of different functions that are available within the PySpark SQL libraries. So let's run this. Okay, so once I have created this table, I can extract sales date from my source table. So in this case, it's sales bronze, and write it to that dimension table. So that's what I have here. So as you can see, I am populating only one column within this table. So let's run this and take a look at the results. As you can see, I have all the date-dependent columns auto-populated for me. So this is another useful technique when dealing with time dimensions.